Good morning, students. In the last video, we had discussed the conversion binary to decimal number. And in this topic, we covered two examples, example 1 and example 2, using 3 steps that we had discussed in starting of this topic. Today we will continue the same topic, binary to decimal number conversion, with example 3. Example number 3, 1100010001 and its base is 2. We will start with extremely right digit, that is 1. Multiply by 2 power 0. Any number that has power 0 is equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Next digit is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 power 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. 0 multiplied by 2 is equals to 0. Next digit is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 power 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0. Next digit is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means we need to multiply 2 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. And 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. Next digit is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 power 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. 0 multiplied by 16 is equals to 0. Next digit is again 0. 0 multiplied by 2 power 5. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is equals to 32. 0 multiplied by 32 is equals to 0. Next digit is again 0. 0 into 2 power 6. So we multiply 2 6 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is equals to 32. 32 multiplied by 2 is equals to 64. 0 multiplied by 64 is equals to 0. Next digit is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 power 7. Now multiply 2 7 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is equals to 32. 32 multiplied by 2 is equals to 64. 64 multiplied by 2 is equals to 128. 1 multiplied by 128 is equals to 128. Next is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 power 8. Multiply 2 8 times. By multiplying 2 7 times, it is 128. Now again multiply 128 by 2, it is 256. So 1 multiplied by 256 is equals to 256. Now sum of all these products, 256 plus 128, this is 0, 8, again 0, then is 1. 8 plus 16, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 1, 23, 2. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3, 393 and its base is 10. I hope from these examples rules are clear to you. we need to multiply each binary number with its positional value, that is in terms of power of 2, and it will keep on increasing one by one and the base will remain fixed, and we will start multiplying from the extremely right digit, and at last calculate sum of all the products. Octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7 with the base 8. As we are using 8 digits in this number system, so its base will be 8. And the concept of octal number system came from the Native Americans, as they used to count the numbers using the space between the fingers rather than using the fingers. We are using the fingers to count numbers, so total number of fingers is equals to 10. But Native American use the space between two fingers. So by counting the space between two fingers in our two hands, it total will be 8. 4 space in one hand and another 4 space in another hand, and total will be 8. And that is why octal number system concept came into existence, as the Native Americans used to count using the space between the fingers rather than using the fingers. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. To convert any octal number to decimal number, start multiplying the digits of the number from right hand side with the increasing power of 8, starting from 0 and finally calculating the sum of all the products. So in the last video we had discussed conversion of binary to decimal number system. Today we will discuss the conversion of octal to decimal. The steps will remain same, only the difference is in the base. In binary number system, we are using 2 digits, so its base will be 2. In octal number system, we are using 8 digits, so base will be 8. Only the difference is in the base, rather than all the steps are same. First example, 345, and its base is 8. We will start with the extremely right digit, that is 5, multiply by base is 8 and its power will start from 0. Any number that has the power 0 is equals to 1. This we had already discussed. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. Next digit is 4 multiplied by 8 power 1. 8 multiplied by 1 is equals to 8. 4 multiplied by 8 is equals to 32. Next 3 multiplied by 8 power 2. 8 multiplied by 8 is equals to 64 and 3 multiplied by 64 is equals to 192. And last step is to calculate the sum of all the products. 192 plus 32 plus 5 is equals to 229. Octal number system has been converted into decimal number system, so its base will be 10. Decimal number system has the base 10. Second example, 317, its base is 8, starting with the extremely right digit and the base 8 and its power will be 0, as 7 is in the unit place. 8 power 0 is equals to 1. 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. 1 multiplied by 8 power 1. 8 multiplied by 1 is equals to 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. 3 multiplied by 8 power 2. 8 multiplied by 8 is equals to 64. 3 multiplied by 64 is equals to 192. And last step is calculate the sum of all the products. 192 plus 8 plus 7 is equals to 207 and its base will be 10. Next is hexadecimal number system. This number system consists of 16 digits, numbers 0 to 9 and the letters A to F, where A to F represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. Hexadecimal is a combination of two words hexa or hex plus decimal. Hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides, so it represents 6 sides or 6 digits in hexadecimal. And decimal we had already discussed, it consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9, and rest of the 6 digits is represented with capital letters A to F, where A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D stands for 13, E stands for 14 and F stands for 15. So a total of 16 digits. The base of this number system is 16. This number system is also known as hex. You can also pronounce hexadecimal number system as a hex. The procedure of converting hexadecimal to decimal is similar to the methods shown above. The only difference is the change of base. In octal we use the base 8, in binary we use the base 2, in hexadecimal we use the base 16. To convert hexadecimal number to decimal, multiply the number starting from right hand side with an increasing power of 16, starting from 0 and then calculating the sum of all products. Example 1, 3 capital B and its base is 16. Extremely right digit is capital B and the value of B is 11. 11 multiplied by 16 power 0. Any digit that has the power 0 is equals to 1. So 11 multiplied by 1 is equals to 11. Next is 3 multiplied by 16 power 1. 16 multiplied by 1 is equals to 16 and 3 multiplied by 16 is equals to 48, and then calculating the sum of product and it is equals to 59 and its base is 10. Hexadecimal number is converted to decimal number and decimal number has the base 10. Example 2, 4 capital D 2. We will start with the right digit, that is 2 multiplied by 16 power 0. 16 power 0 is equals to 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. Now capital D, and capital D value is 13. 13 multiplied by 16 power 1. 16 multiplied by 1 is equals to 16 and 13 multiplied by 16 is equals to 208. Next is 4. 4 multiplied by 16, its power 2. 16 multiplied by 16 is equals to 256 and 4 multiplied by 256 is equals to 1024. And then calculating the sum of all the products, it is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and its base is 10. Next is computer arithmetic. As a computer understands only binary code, so the data input to computer by the user is converted into binary code for processing. Computer understands only sequence of 0 and 1, so the data that is input to the computer by the user is converted into binary code for processing. This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on the binary numbers. For doing processing, we may require different kinds of arithmetic operations that can be performed on the binary numbers. We will discuss those arithmetic operations in detail